Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, into the video I am going to discuss with you 6 exercise that you must do every week for fluency. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video, okay friends? So let's get into the topic, okay friends? So before going to the topic, first I would like to share with you. I have shared so many videos in my channel. So if you haven't watched my all videos, so please watch my some videos, and this video also will help you to improve your fluency. Okay, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so my today topic is that 6 exercise that you must do every week, so you get fluency. You are going to be fluent in English. So first thing is that, so the first one is that grammar practice. Okay, if I talk about grammar practice, so you think, oh, you don't want to learn any rules, any you just want to speak in English, but you don't want to learn rules because you are scared from grammar. Okay, but you have to do some some small efforts to learn this language. So if I talk about grammar, so you need to not you don't need to focus to learn every book on which is related to grammar. No. First thing is that one week you should take one rule. If I talk about tense, so first week you should take first tense, that is present tense. Okay, I'm just going to give you an example. Okay, and that is up to you what you choose to learn grammar practice. First I'm just going to share you example. So if you should take first tense for first week, just present tense. Okay, if you take present tense, so you need to focus every week present tense, that is 4 part. Okay, and you should focus present tense. You should create your own sentences, create your own some explore some sentences which is related to present tense. Okay, make your daily routine, because daily routine is also depend on the present tense. And whatever you are going to work in your kitchen, in your office, while driving, while going to market, all the things are present tense. Okay, so make some sentences which is related to your present tense. In this way you can easily learn some rules, and also learn how to use some rules in our daily routine. Okay, and the next week you should take second tense, that is past tense. So you have to focus all the stories, because all the stories are in past tense. Or you should remember your some moments, that is you don't want to forget. Some moments are bad and some moments are good, so you should create some sentences which is depend on the past tense. So in this way you can easily learn grammar rules. Okay, so I gave you example how to use grammar and how to do practice in grammar. Okay, so you first thing is that grammar practice. Okay, so now I'm going to give you second exercises. So the second exercises is this very important, that is speaking. It's a key of learning this language. Okay, if you unless you know speak, you can't learn this language. Okay, so you have to focus on speaking terms. You more you speak, so better you become. Okay, you don't because there is most of the people always says that I can understand in English, I can read in English, I can write in English, I can understand English, but the problem is that I can't speak in English. So the simple rule of this problem is that speak in English. This is a simple answer, but it's it's very difficult to do, because when you are going to speak, so you feel shivering, you feel nervous, you feel that okay, I make many mistakes, but do mistakes, but speak in English. Okay, do mistakes, 100 mistakes, 1,000 mistakes, do mistakes, but speak in English. If you have someone, that's very good, very good for you. If you have no one, then don't worry, use all the technique, all the there are so some tips, tricks and methods, and you are living in a high tech a high tech era. So there are some resources, you have a mobile phone, you have a cell phone, so use this phone for your speaking terms. Okay, if I am talking about you, so I am using a cell phone, I am using an Android phone. So in this way you can also speak some sentences, some incident which you like to speak. And but speaking is very important. Without it you can't achieve your goal, you can't achieve your goal. Okay, so speak at least 15 minutes a day. Okay, I can say 15 minutes a day is important for you. So speak whatever you know, whatever you know, and the thing comes in your mind, just speak out aloud. Okay, so this is the second key. Third key which I'm going to share with you in this video is that shadowing. This is a wonderful method. Okay, and if you have no one and you want to practice how to speak in English fluently, and you want to do your speaking practice, so use this habit. This is a wonderful habit, and if you are a beginner, if you are a learner, then this habit will help you. I'm also following this habit. I'm not perfect, I'm not saying that I'm perfect in English. No, I'm not perfect, I'm just learning this language. But whatever I speak in English, whatever I know in English, is just because this practice, this tips, that is called shadowing. Shadowing means imitation. Imitation means to do something, to do whatever something as to do something whatever others are doing, that is called shadowing. Okay, so for this method you have to you have to make a video, you have to, I'm not going to make a video, just giving you a example. You should take a audio or video. It's just depend up to you. Okay, choose audio or video and learn and hear, listen a sentence. Okay, and after pause the video or audio and just start to imitate, imitate whatever the speaker are going to say. Just start to imitate them aloud. That is called shadowing. Shadowing is a wonderful technique, and I have learned, I'm still working on it. It's a wonderful technique, and believe me, if you are using this technique, so you will fluent in English very easily. Okay, so shadowing, use this technique. Fourth technique which I'm going to share with you is this video. So the 4 exercises is that pronunciation. I know shadowing and pronunciation both are the same, but there is a little different between the both. Okay, so pronunciation means English language is difficult to pronounce. Okay, so you have to focus on your pronunciation. I'm not saying that I'm perfect in pronunciation, because there are some mistakes I'm doing, but I'm still working on it. And do practice each and every day. Pronunciation is a wonderful exercise you have to do. So if you are learning any vocabulary or any words, so learn how to pronunciate it. Okay, and pronunciation is a wonderful exercise. Okay, so the next exercise which I'm going to share with you in this video is that reading exercise. Okay, First thing is that reading is a wonderful exercise. While reading, you know some important vocabulary, you know some how to make a structure, and after reading answer, you can ask answer yourself that what did I learn from this material, from this reading material. Okay, what did I learn from this paragraph. Okay, and what do I feel about this paragraph. Okay, and make some notes on your which is new vocabulary, and how to make a structure, how to use a structure in this paragraph. Or read one paragraph minimum 5 times. Okay, not different one. When you are reading one para minimum 5 times, so that para will become a part of your memory. Okay, and it is saved in your file. We all have a supercomputer that is called head top. Okay, and there are so many space, like endless space, endless GB. Okay, so learn any para, and not different one, and minimum 5 times, and learn till it becomes a part of your memory, and it is saved in your computer. Okay, so reading is a wonderful habit. And now I'm going to talk about other exercise. So the other exercise is that listening. This is a wonderful exercise. Most of the speaker learn from the listening, and this is a wonderful exercise. I also learned this language by listening. Because listening in this way, you can easily learn any language, and listening and just start to imitate the words. So this is also called shadowing. This is also called pronunciation. And by listening, you can learn how to say something, how to say something in English, and how to pronunciate it, and how to explore, how to give our thoughts in any different topics. So listening is a wonderful technique. Use all the techniques, use all the exercise. If you really want to speak in English, if you really want to improve your fluency, so you have to do all 6 exercise. So friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Use all the exercise. These are wonderful exercise, and all the exercise will make you fluent in English, will improve your fluency. So I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.